Hi, everybody. Welcome to another video. Alon here from the Dondy app on Shopify, helping you, brand owners, drive sales and increase revenue using WhatsApp marketing. Today, we're going to look at different types of automations we can build using Dondy. So let's get straight into it. We'll go to Manage Automation in the Dondy app, and we're going to create a new flow. So here is the page where we edit our new automation flows. On the right side of the page, we have the preview, an example of how our customer will receive the WhatsApp marketing message from us. So whatever we edit on the left side, we'll immediately be able to see on the right side and understand how it will be perceived for our client on WhatsApp. We're gonna start with our most popular automation. That's of course the abandoned cart recovery. And here, I'm just gonna give it a name. Perfect. So once we've given it a name, we can actually choose from examples we've pre-made for you guys, but we're just going to go with English. Obviously, you can change this into any language you want. And we choose the delay time. So how long after the customer has left, abandoned his checkout, his product, how long after we want to reach out to him via message. So the message box, we can totally customize this to our needs. We can try and make it personal using the customer first name or other short codes we provide. We can add a discount code, for example, Black Friday 2025. So I'll create a discount on Shopify and copy it. Using the discount code, it will automatically be applied at checkout, and you won't have to worry about that. The customer will automatically receive the discount code. We can decide to go with no image, which makes it look a bit more like a personal message, a custom image URL, or a dynamic image, which basically pulls the image of the product that the customer left behind in his cart. We can change with our quick reply and static buttons. We recommend to always leave a stop button to make it easy for our customers who are not interested in receiving marketing messages via WhatsApp to unsubscribe. In terms of advanced flow settings, so if you operate a brand, for example, in multiple countries, we can filter by countries if you want only specific customers to receive these messages from a certain country. Next, we can also filter by amount of orders. So for example, if I choose equals to 0, it will be sent only to new customers. If I keep it blank, it will be sent to all customers, or maybe I'm trying to reach out to more of my loyal clients. So I can say greater than or equal to 2, for example. Down below, we can also filter by Shopify tags. And let's go ahead and create this flow. We'll make last look on the right to make sure we're happy with what it looks like. Create the flow. Flow successfully created. So here we have the summary page, the type, we can see it's live, the delay time, the coupon code we added, our template ID. Currently, the status is pending. So every template we create needs to be approved by Meta. If you're verified on Meta, this should happen almost instantly. If you're not verified, it can take up to 24 hours. We strongly recommend to complete your verification process in Meta Business Suites exactly for this reason, to make templates get approved a lot quicker and also increase your daily messaging limit. Right, let's go to the automation page so we can understand our dashboard. And here we can understand all of our key metrics, including revenue, orders, amount spent, return on ad spent, how many messages were sent, delivered, read, delivery rate.